My name is Christine Marquette, and I'm a registered and licensed dietitian with Marquette Nutrition and Fitness, and I'm going to talk to you about possible side effects of herbal medicine. This is actually a very wide-ranging topic. There's a lot of things involved with herbal medicine. Part of the thing that you want to keep in mind is what your current health condition is. If you're somebody who is already taking medications to treat something, for example, high blood pressure or cholesterol or diabetes, and you want to experiment with herbal medicine, it's very important that you tell the herbalist what you're currently taking. It's also important that you talk to your primary care physician and let them know that you are thinking about using herbal medicine as well, because they can give you a heads up on some possible interactions. There are a lot of herbs that can interact with prescription medications. They can actually cause them to be too strong, or they can interfere with their ability to work and basically neutralize that medication. So it's very important that you communicate again with your primary care physician as well as with the herbalist. Because if you don't and you take them all at the same time, you take your prescription medications, you take herbs, there is a very high risk of interaction where your medication could be too strong or it could not work at all. If it becomes too strong and say, for example, it's a blood pressure medication, your blood pressure could drop dangerously low and you may end up in the hospital. The same is true of diabetes medication. If you combine the wrong herb with the wrong diabetes medication, your blood sugar may drop dangerously low. You could end up in a coma. So it's extremely important that you communicate with everyone who is on your healthcare team and make sure that they know of any possible interaction. In addition, even if you're not taking medications, any type of food, plant, any substance that you ingest, there's always a possibility that you could be allergic to that particular item. So whenever you're trying something new that you've never had before, you've never ingested before, it's very important that you do it in very small quantities to make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction to it. Allergies are somewhat low incidence, I don't want to say rare, but there is a somewhat low incidence of allergies to foods in adults. However, there is still that risk, and they could be life-threatening reactions. If you go through anaphylactic shock and you're not near a hospital, again, that can be life-threatening. So with anything new that you've never ingested before, you always want to do it in very small quantities and be very cautious. Again, communicate with your entire healthcare team because there are many potential side effects to herbal medicine.